Let me tell you the number one reason why interest rates being low is a good thing. Hey, Jordan here, and I know that you're like, hey, interest rates, they should be low. The lower they are, the lower my payment is. And that seems obvious, right? It seems obvious. The less interest you pay, the lower your payment is, the more affordable housing is. That's definitely a plus. But I want to tell you a little secret about interest rates, okay? When you have an interest over the course of a loan, it usually looks like, it's going from top to down. You pay the most interest at the beginning of a transaction or of owning a property, and you pay the least at the end. But a little unknown fact is that the lower an interest rate is, that the more principal you are paying down on the loan. So let me give you an example, right? Let's say you bought a $500,000 house and you had an 8% interest rate. I'm totally making these numbers up. I'm sure they don't make any sense. But let's just say that that's what it is, right? And let's say principal and interest, forget taxes, forget HOA, forget all that stuff. Principal and interest, right? When paying down the loan and what the bank takes, interest, right? At 8%, let's say it's a $2,000 a month payment. You're probably paying $100, $200, maybe $300 towards the principal, probably $200 or less, right? Towards the principal at a $500,000 house. Very, very little. So $200, 12 months, $2,500, $2,400, right? Very, very little, right? If you had a 2% interest rate, it would be more like $1,000 a month from day one is paying down that loan, right? So you're getting it on both sides is what I'm trying to tell you. When you have a higher interest loan, not only are you paying more in your payment every month, several hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars more, but you're also not paying down the loan as quickly, right? And so that's why the lower the interest rate, the more wealth is being, grown as a community, as an individual, as a business, and why bringing rates is so important. So not only are you able to get a lower payment, buy a bigger house or whatever, but you're also paying the loan down that much faster.